This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're installing a gas stove. So we're pushing it back close to the wall, and then we're going to put on the flexible gas line. It's already been connected up here at the top, and we're going to be connecting it down at the bottom to the stove. And these are what are called compression fittings, so they don't really need any Teflon tape or any type of sealant. Just by tightening the connection up, it will create a tight gas seal. This is the female part on the gas tube, and then the male part that it's connected to, it's a little bit rounded, and that shows that it's a compression fitting. So we're going to get it tight, finger tight, and then we're going to use a crescent wrench to just tighten it a little bit further. We'll make sure it's snug, and then we're going to turn the gas valve there at the top, and then we'll plug it in. We'll push the stove back into position, set the clock, and then we are set to go. So should be pretty easy to do. Just takes a couple of steps and you will have your gas stove installed and ready to go. Hope this has been helpful to you, and please subscribe when you get a chance.